U.S. Bank Secured Credit Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? If your credit score is holding you back, this card could quietly open the door to better financial opportunities. The U.S. Bank Secured Credit Card is designed for people building or rebuilding credit. You provide a refundable security deposit, which becomes your credit limit. You then use the card like a normal credit card. Every on-time payment is reported to credit bureaus, helping you build positive credit history. Over time, this can significantly raise your credit score. You also earn basic rewards on purchases, which is rare for secured cards. There is a small annual fee, but it can be worth it if you are serious about rebuilding credit. Verdict: worth it for rebuilding credit.